What's a completely harmless secret that you keep from your partners? 1. When I run to the store to grab some groceries, I'll ask him what he wants. He has this expensive cereal he likes and snack bars. He asked me to pick some up if they're on sale. Sometimes I'll buy them at full price because he deserves nice things. 2. My husband thinks he surprised me with a big gift. It was delivered when I was home alone in the manufacturer's box, so it was obvious what was inside. I asked my neighbor to keep it for a few hours and to deliver it again when he got home. He was so excited when he answered the door, wrapped it up, and everything. This was 5+ years ago. He still thinks he surprised me. 3. I told her I don't like pickles on my burger. Tried it and now I think it's very nice, but I am in too deep now and she gets too excited when I give her mine. So I will take this one to my grave because I know how much she loves them. Like and follow for more.